So hey there, today I've made a small demo of how OCPP works in connecting the charger with its backend charging station management system. So let's start the CSMS server. And then our charge point server. This is the dashboard for the charge point, how the EVSE side would looks like, and here is the charging station management system side. Here I've used this Arduino Uno to simulate the EVSE controller by connecting the pin 2 with the ground. It would resonate as the EV is just plugged in, and this is the RFID tracker for authorization and a small LED to show that charging is started. So let's start our charging sequence. So first we have to start the boot notification. Without this, any of the option would not work. So first we will send the boot notification. This charge point has sent, this is the message type ID. To means it is a request. This is the message ID. It is the string of maximum 36 characters. And here this is the action boot notification, and this is the payload. It is showing charge point, vendor, model, and CSMS server responded to it by noting down all the data. 3 means it is the request, and here it is the same message ID of which this request was made, and no action, and this is the payload. And then the charge point send an another request or call for the status notification. It shows that it is available for charging, and now we can see that on the CSMS server it is available. Now on the charger app, the charger would shown up as available. Now here, if we connect the pin 2 with the ground, it means the vehicle is connected. As we can see, state is preparing. Now this is the request by the charge point. Status notification is preparing. Now the user must authorize via the RFID tag or through the app. Let's tap the RFID. So it is the call, and the action is to authorize. CSMS responded to it by saying status invalid. Because we have not yet registered this RFID tag with the CSMS. Now the RFID tag should work. Let's try again. Now it is showing as accepted with the same tag ID. Now we can start the transaction. Here the LED is being blown up. It means the charging is started. Now we can see on the CSMS side that connector status is in charging. As this is a WebSocket server, so we should remotely stop the transaction. So if I click on this, we have to select the target. So let's choose our charger and the RFID tag ID. And if we click on the stop button, so yes, now the LED has been turned off. Charging is completed. And if I again start the transaction, it required to again reauthorize the ID tag. Now we can start. This LED got lit up. And if I pull out this wire, it may be any unwanted situation where communication link or the CP pilot wire got disconnected from the charger. Charging is stopped, and here we can see charge point send the request to stop the transaction. CSMS responded as accepted, and the charger is again ready for the charging. So here are the different options, like the hardware option to keep the WebSocket connection alive. We can schedule the at every 5 seconds, charge point would send the heartbeat request to the CSMS. And here all the transactions we can see